Coinbase accidentally spilled. ADA Cardano will reach $10 sooner than you think. Insane Cardano ADA secret. When most people think about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Ethereum are usually the first two names that come to mind. However, experts and analysts won't hesitate to tell you that Cardano and its ADA token is a cryptocurrency that you would be wise to keep an eye on. Cardano properly launched in the market back in 2017. It's relatively young, yet it has already achieved so much for itself in the few years since its inception. Since then, it has steadily remained in the top 10 cryptocurrencies around the world. Cardano has even been the top third largest cryptocurrency several times in 2021 alone. Today we're going to talk all about what Coinbase just said about ADA. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 22nd of February, shall we? The one-day Cardano price analysis is confirming an upward price movement for the day, as the bulls have made a comeback on the price chart again after continuous defeat. Although the ADA value underwent a severe decline in the past week, today's market trend supports buyers. The price is now at $1.013 position as the green candlestick has returned. The moving average value is still relatively high. The volatility in the one-day price chart is slowly increasing, which means that the price fluctuations might increase in the next few weeks. The upper Bollinger Band shows $1.210 of value, representing the strongest resistance, whereas the lower Bollinger Band dictates $0.971, representing the strongest support. The Relative Strength Index score has grown up to Index 41 today, as it hints at the buying activity in the market. The daily and the hourly Cardano price analysis confirms a slight recovery in the coin value today. This is quite encouraging news for the buyers, as the price underwent a substantial decline in the past few days. The bulls have taken the price up to $1.013 high after making a return in the last 24 hours. The hourly price chart is showing promising results as well, as the bullish trend has been observed. However, the RSI curve on the 4-hour chart shows a slowdown in the buying activity, so we assume ADA USD to correct for a few hours before continuing further upside later today. Now let's get back to the topic. We recently received board approval to purchase over $500 million of crypto on our balance sheet to add to our existing holdings, Coinbase Chief Executive Brian Armstrong announced via Twitter, and we'll be investing 10% of all profit going forward in crypto. I expect this percentage to keep growing over time as the crypto economy matures. In a blog post, the company, which now boasts a market capitalization of $52 billion, said it will become the first publicly traded company to hold Ethereum, proof-of-stake assets, decentralized finance tokens, and many other crypto assets supported for trading on our platform, in addition to Bitcoin on our balance sheet. Armstrong indicated Coinbase eventually plans to convert far more of its operating capital and assets to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Earlier this month, Coinbase said it brought in more than $2.2 billion in its second quarter, up from just $186 million during the second quarter of last year. Hopefully, over time, we can operate more of our business in crypto. Today, it's still a mix, Armstrong said. Coinbase has also added Cardano in their balance sheet, and this is very bullish news for Cardano. Yesterday, it was reported Coinbase has stockpiled around $4 billion in cash to prepare for a possible regulatory crackdown or a market downturn, known as a crypto winter, since listing shares in April. Armstrong's comments about Bitcoin were made during an interview on the Best Business Show, which is hosted by Anthony Pompliano, aka Pomp, co-founder and partner at Morgan Creek Digital Assets. Armstrong said that he's still excited by Bitcoin and believes it will remain the crypto asset that is the best store of value. Bitcoin is kind of what got me super excited about crypto in the first place. I still am excited about it. I hold a ton of Bitcoin. I think that it's going to be around forever as basically the gold or the money of this industry. As for other blockchains and crypto assets, Armstrong had this to say: "We already are in this world where the crypto economy is built of a number of different assets and blockchains that have different purposes, whether that's to be sort of gold or payments, or security contracts, or gaming, or derivatives. So there's more and more things that are going to keep coming out. I think, well, my guess is that we'll eventually be in a world where there's maybe dozens of blockchains, but there's millions or billions of tokens. there's going to be so many tokens that it's kind of hard to even imagine where that ends. In a new interview on CNBC, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong revealed that the exchange is adding more cryptocurrencies to its coin roster, as he explains why people should invest in the company. We are not tied to one particular crypto asset. We're adding support for over 100 crypto assets now, and there will be more and more in the future. We're also kind of what you might call an indexed bet, or a leveraged bet on the crypto space. More broadly, because we're kind of selling picks and shovels, we're helping people access and use this new technology, so I think we're going to grow along with the crypto space. Coinbase already added 8 new digital assets this year: ADA, Ethereum scaling solution Polygon, Layer 2 scaling solution Scale Network, decentralized exchange SushiSwap, DEX aggregator 1inch, ENJ, peer-to-peer connectivity network NKN, and decentralized commerce and finance project Origin Protocol. Will Cardano hit $100? Wallet Investor thinks Cardano will blow past its current all-time high over the next 12 months. The site's one-year prediction prices ADA in at $4.55. Coin Price Forecast thinks ADA will hit a new all-time high before the year is up. The outlet is targeting a price of $3.63 for Cardano's coin before the year is out. On the contrary, the Economy Forecast Agency is predicting losses for ADA before the year is over. The site is targeting a price of $1.77 by December. The site anticipates a $3.04 price for the coin by October of next year. GovCapital's one-year prediction for Cardano prices the coin at $3.17 by October of 2022. While there are many potential catalysts and developments that should keep Cardano buoyant for some time to come, reaching $100 anytime soon would be slightly overambitious. For ADA to reach $100, it will have to rise nearly 3,300% from the current levels. While those types of gains aren't unheard of in the crypto space, one of the major near-term catalysts for Cardano has already been priced in. There doesn't seem to be any near to medium-term catalyst to push it that far. Due to the upgrade, additional listings, and its greener nature, Cardano has a strong upside potential. The token can easily double by year-end from the current levels. Another positive announcement by the network could take the token even higher. That's all for today. In the end, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.